couple quick and easy maintenance tips to eliminate you from having to service your tire balls and break them down. We typically have two different applications. We have a commercial application and a racer extreme use application where we have military customers and things like that. For people that are looking for performance gains that want to run the tire balls at the lowest possible air pressures and their tire carcass at lowest possible air pressures, need to take one simple precaution, and that is inflating your tire through the valve stem once your event is completed. And what that does is you have tire balls inside this tire cavity that has pressure inside of them. If you put the same amount of pressure over the top of them through the valve stem or greater than what's in the tire balls, they will not leak down. However, they are like a basketball or a football or even your car tire. Over time, they will leak down and lose pressure. But if you can keep the same pressure over them that's constant, you won't ever have to worry about breaking the tire down until you're ready to change tires. Now, one other simple thing that you can do too is, because our customers are using them in extreme environments, a lot of times they'll get punctures or cuts. And all you have to do is monitor your valve stem once a month and make sure that it's holding air pressure. If it's not holding air pressure, you need to spray your tire down with a soapy substance to see if it's leaking. Find the leak and plug it similar to how you're going to plug your normal tire. Now, the luxury of having our product inside of it is that you don't have to break the tire off the rim, because the tire is going to maintain its shape with the tire balls, and the tire balls are very durable. You can actually plug the tire with the tire still mounted on the rim and the tire balls inside. Once you plug it, simply reinflate the tire balls to your recommended application pressure and continue to use them. And these two steps will help eliminate any sort of servicing of the product, which means breaking the tire down and reinflating them to the proper pressure. Now, one more thing that I do recommend is that if you are going to leave your tire on the rim for 6 to 12 months or for a long extended period of time, what you want to do is you do want to reapply silicone lubricant, and that may be from you actually having cuts and silicone is lost through those cuts, or it may just be after 6 or 12 months it's time to reapply that. And we supply the product in a 2-ounce bottle. You can roughly use 2 to 3 ounces per tire. But what we do is we leave the tire mounted on the rim, and we simply take the valve cap off. We use a valve core remover. We remove the valve core and we apply the silicone through the valve stem, and then through centrifugal force the tire balls and the tire cavity will get covered with the new silicone lubricant. Once you're done putting the silicone through the valve stem, simply replace the valve cap or replace the valve core, inflate it to the pressure, put the valve cap on, and you're ready to go. And these are 3 easy steps that will save you any servicing and also protect your tire balls and make them last as long as possible.